I bet you didn't know yawning is like an AC for your brain. Yep, you heard that right. When you yawn, it's like a little refresh button for your brain. Here's the cool part. Yawning increases blood flow and brings in a rush of cool air. It's your brain's way of chilling out, literally. So next time you catch yourself mid-yawn, don't worry about looking lazy. You're just giving your brain a cool down. Think of it as brain air conditioning. Who knew yawning could be so chill? And there you have it. Yawning isn't just a sign of sleepiness, it's your brain's secret weapon to stay cool and sharp. So keep yawning and stay brainy. Like this? Hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more brainy facts.